Welcome to this video tutorial on TM1bedrock.py, the open-source Python library for TM1. In this video, we'll guide you through a simple use case, copying data from an actual version to a forecast version within the same TM1 queue. First, we need to import the necessary functions. From the TM1bedrock.py library, we'll need data_copy for the main operation and TM1 service to connect to our TM1 instance. We'll also import config parser and pathlib to handle our credentials securely. Next, we define the source data we want to copy using an MDX query. This query selects all data from our sales queue where the version dimension is actual. Now we call the core function, dataCopy. We pass our TM1 connection and the source MDX query as arguments. To specify the destination, we use the mapping steps parameter. Here, we'll define a rule to replace the actual version with forecast. A crucial feature for data integrity is the clearTarget parameter. By setting this to true, TM1bedrock.py automatically clears the destination slice before writing new data. We'll also use the target clearSetMexList parameter to specify the exact slice to clear, pointing to our forecast version. This prevents data duplication and ensures a clean copy. Finally, we'll set the logging level to debug to get detailed information about the process. Now let's run the script. The process finished without any errors. Now, if we switch to our TM1 cube and recalculate the view for the forecast version, we can see that the data from the actual version has been successfully copied to our forecast version. And that's it. You've successfully used the data copy function in TM1bedrock.py to move data within a cube while ensuring data integrity. Thanks for watching. To learn more and to contribute, visit our GitHub page.